Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Plug Power stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Plug Power. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. And now, we are here to present you with a more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could affect your investments. Optimize your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 24, 2024, our system has identified Plug Power as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. In the short term, the stock is currently in a falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $3.68, it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -37.36% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -58.98% and -33.60%. Furthermore, the 12-month trend indicates a -57.35% change over the next year. This implies a potential return between -72.39% and -2.75%. So, after a year, the stock may be within a price range of 96 cents to $3.38. Our latest update on Plug Power reveals some interesting developments. On Wednesday, the stock price experienced significant fluctuations, with a high-low range of 18.53%. Specifically, on the last trading day, Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the Plug Power stock price dropped by 6.59%, declining from $3.72 to $3.48. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $3.40 and a high of $4.03. It's worth noting that the stock price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 17.26% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 56 million shares on the last day, and a total of 100 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $347.74 million. Looking at a broader timeframe, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Plug Power stock was $18.88, while the lowest price was $2.26. Currently, the stock price is 81.59%, equivalent to $15.41, below the 52-week high, and 95.4%, equivalent to $72.02, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 26, 2021. When the price reached $75.49. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, BMO Capital downgraded Plug with an underperform grade. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, Susquehanna downgraded Plug and gave it a neutral grade. On Friday, December 22, 2023, UBS downgraded Plug with an underperform grade and a hold action. On Friday, December 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Plug a market perform grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, Piper Sandler downgraded Plug and gave it a negative grade. Analysts have given Plug Power stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio as a buying opportunity and the price-to-book ratio as a buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Let's take a closer look at the signals for Plug Power. Today, there are mixed signals in the stock. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal for Plug Power. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This is because the long-term average is above the short-term average, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it might face resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.05. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it could find support from the short-term average at $2.99. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will strengthen the general sell signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, and the stock has fallen by -6.59% since then. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. One signal you should pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal that occurred 79 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal that was generated 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that was triggered 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that occurred 10 days ago. Let's now analyze the 12-month chart to get a broader perspective. The short moving average has displayed a sell signal 16 days ago, while the long-term moving average signaled a sell 116 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that occurred 103 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Plug Power. Plug Power has found support from accumulated volume at $3.47. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be highly volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. Just in the last day, the stock moved $0.630 between its high and low, representing a substantial 18.53% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 15.86%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Plug Power, let's go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies can sometimes face temporary downturns due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it could suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 6, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.300. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Plug Power. If Plug Power experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $3.53. If you're not already holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering an entry position. For those who already have the stock, this resistance level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Plug Power encounters its first support level at $3.47. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, as you can anticipate a rebound from this level. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Plug Power is neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 5, 2023, Mint David conducted an insider sell of 32,792 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Matani Kavita conducted an insider buy of 2,500 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Helmer Maureen O conducted an insider buy of 3,056 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Willis Gary K conducted an insider buy of 3,611 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Knossos Gregory conducted an insider buy of 3,792 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 78.272. Overall, insiders purchased 8,095,907 shares and sold 784,644 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is crucial to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Plug Power stock a good buy? Our analysis of Plug Power stock reveals several negative signals, suggesting weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a strong sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. When trading opens on Thursday, January 25, we anticipate Plug Power to have an opening price of $3.64, representing an increase of $0.160. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're sharing our current view on this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? We value your engagement, so remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.